So here is how we can make shortcuts on the iPad. Let's talk about it. And if this is your first time here on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing because I have so many tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, the shortcuts on the iPad are primarily made through the Apple Shortcuts app. This is an application which has been available for quite a while now, but you can get it on the App Store if you don't have it on your iPad. It's actually free and developed by Apple. But the point is that you get inside this application as such, and you have two or even like three main sections. You have like the shortcuts as well as automations. Right, so you can go to the section right there where in part of your library you have all shortcuts. You can see I have plenty of them, but I can always tap on the plus button at the top and start a new shortcut. This basically means that I put together a string of actions which are going to be performed at the same time when the shortcut gets triggered. So this can literally be anything, right? I have some suggestions on the side, and even all of the apps which have some actions which can be triggered in the shortcuts are also listed here. So I don't know, when I check out the weather, I can see that I can get the current weather. That's going to be the first action, right? Then I can get the text and paste it into a message, and that message can be sent to a specific person, right? So that's like an idea of putting it all together. And yeah, this works. We can put it all in a sequence like that, but the point is that this is just the shortcut. So whenever you want to trigger the string of actions, as I said, you have to tap the shortcut and it will be run. On the other hand, we also have automations, which are like rules which will automatically trigger your created shortcuts. That's a little bit of a different thing because you can go to the automation section and choose a new one. And there are these conditions, right? Like what is going to start it, for example, time of the day, or when you receive a message, or when you turn on Wi-Fi, whatever it might be. Something that triggers the shortcuts that we just created, right? So even, the battery level, when you reach like, I don't know, 50% of battery, something is supposed to happen, right? So that's kind of how we can set it up and then choose the actual shortcut to be run after that automation gets started. So I hope it makes sense. This is like a general blueprint of how it works. There are naturally so many even made like shortcuts which you can just copy and paste on your device. So let me know what you think. Let me know if that's the thing you had in mind from the beginning. But that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.